In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vimeo account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. Deleting your Vimeo account is a straightforward process, but you definitely want to make sure you're ready to take this step, especially since it's permanent. There's no going back once you've done this. So the first thing you need to do is open Vimeo. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in yet, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials when prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll need to find your profile picture or avatar. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that little icon, and a drop-down menu will appear showing several options related to your account. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This will take you to a new page with various options that are related to your account configuration, everything from account details to privacy settings. We're looking for something specific, so hang tight. On the Settings page, you'll see a series of tabs on the left side. Look for the one labeled Privacy. Click on it, and this will take you to the Privacy section of your account settings. Here, you'll find options about how your videos are shared and who can see them, but more importantly for us, we're looking for the option to delete your account. Scroll down a little bit until you see the text that reads Delete your account. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Keep in mind that Vimeo will usually provide some details about what happens when you delete your account, just to ensure you're fully informed. Once you find the Delete Your Account option, click on it. The platform will bring up a confirmation window. Now, this is crucial. It's your chance to double-check your decision. Vimeo will often remind you that this action is irreversible and that all your uploaded videos, likes, comments, and account information will be permanently erased. If you're absolutely sure and want to proceed, click on whatever option appears to continue with the deletion process. This might be a button that says something like Delete my account or Continue. Either way, once you confirm your decision, it might prompt you for additional verification to ensure that you truly intend to delete your account. You may need to enter your password again or even respond to an email confirmation, depending on Vimeo's security settings that might be in place.